Hi, it's Realtor Carrie Mai, and this is your Vancouver real estate market update for September 2021. We are experiencing the 5th consecutive month of declining inventory since our March peak in the Vancouver housing market. August is traditionally a slower month for new home listings and home sales volumes, but this August smashed the 10-year home sales average for the month by 20%. And we also saw a 30% drop in new listings when comparing with this time last year. The MLS Home Price Index has increased 13% from last year to $1,176,600. Do note that this number has remained relatively unchanged when compared with this past June and July. And you can also see a very similar trend across all home types as well. Condos, townhouses, houses, that the benchmark prices for all three segments of these homes remain relatively unchanged when compared with July 2021. 13% fewer detached houses and 7% fewer townhouses sold in the month of August when compared with the previous year. This doesn't mean that people have stopped buying this home type, just simply means there's not enough of them to go around for people to buy when comparing with last year. On the other hand, condo sales are up 22%. And actually this number exceeds the sales volumes that we saw in our peak of the housing market in 2017. And this happened all while condo inventory remains incredibly low. While stock markets are still volatile and our inflation rate is at an all-time high at 3.7%, and with the prospect in the coming weeks or months where our border might open up for immigration again, investors are looking to become landlords now. And for all those reasons I just mentioned, and the fact that our current mortgage interest rate is lower than the rate of inflation for the first time in 40 years, investment property just seems to be a very attractive option right now. So these investors are, leveraging these 2% mortgage rates in addition to any of the home equity that they might have built up to buy another property. In closing, just a quick reminder that the federal election is coming up on September 20th, and housing is a big topic of concern. So I invite you to do your research, click on all the links that I provided you in my email newsletter, and go vote. So I hope this market update has been helpful for you. And if you have any questions about the Vancouver real estate market, feel free to drop me a line. See ya.